to Cadillac Ranch. Hello to you too, Ed's dog. This is Amanda. Nice lipstick, by the way. What's up, Ryder in LA? Where are we? The car thing. The car thing is Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. It's beautiful out here. Mom's laughing. So we got fields of barley, fields of gold. Who needs Mako? Better get Ellie. Better get Ellie.
I don't get it.
So that was a commercial back in the day. Better get Mako when you got a fender bender, and they would paint your whole car for $2.99.
Your whole car for free.
Thanks, babe. So it's on the side of the Interstate 40. Cadillac Ranches. On the field, lots of people, very windy. Recommend coming earlier than we did today, noon. This is not a national park. I guess it said, please pick up trash. Your trash.
We are passing off the Sharpie to you guys.
Ooh.
It's a little more controlled than the big.
This is smart. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thanks for the Sharpie. This is the Sharpie Magnum. That's awesome. That was friendly. Everyone in Texas is extremely friendly. We have noticed. So that's awesome. The motto of Texas is friendship. Taking down COVID.
No, I'm saying no COVID.
No COVID.
Like, this is the COVID.
I love it. Good job. Looks dreamy.
White shoes that I just got.
Ooh, well that's alright. They're artist shoes. They're supposed to have paint on them. Never trust a skinny cook or an artist without paint on her shoes. The more you know. What'd you think, Ellie? What'd you think about Cadillac Ranch? Huh?
Hands hurt?
Can you look
Did
in the
you like
camera
it?
and say it?
Hello.
She just did that. That's funny. What'd you think of Cadillac Ranch?
I thought it was.
Hello.
I thought it was really fun.
Well, that was pretty cool. Cadillac Ranch off I-40. Amarillo. Amarillo. Amarillo?
Yellow.
If I was a young troubadour, I would definitely call it Amarillo. I like your lipstick. So sweet. You hanging on to that Sharpie?
I'm gonna throw it away so we don't litter. Littering is bad.
Yeah, that's true.
All these fools out here littered already. We're not gonna see. I see all these people walking back without spray cans,
Ooh, they came in
and I
with
thought
cans.
that some people must just not have actually spray painted. But all these people did spray paint, but they didn't bring their spray cans back, and that's crazy. It's a free
This
attraction,
PSA is brought to you by Amanda.
It's a free attraction. Bring your spray cans back. Gracious. America.
That's a good point.
Get it together.